Ah, see? Now
Yeah.
I'm blown out. What's up, everybody? We're Vegan RV.
We're trying to show you the
Beautiful sunset.
yeah, the beautiful sunset.
Oh, maybe if we just stand apart like that.
There we go. Okay, we'll do that. Hey, so
It's gonna be a little dark, but you'll get to enjoy the sunset behind us.
this is not Crater Lake.
Nope, but that's where we're going, and this
Yeah.
is what this video is about.
Yep.
We stay in, so we leave Bend, we drive down, and we find this casino.
I think it's Klamoya or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, that link will be below.
Yep. So you can stay there. They have plenty of RV parking. In fact, they have a huge truck area.
Yeah.
Where you can, like, fill up gas and propane.
Right next. Yeah.
Yeah. It was so cold that we literally just did like one night.
Yeah.
Actually, no, 2 nights, because we got there the one night. We did the thing. We did Crater Lake, and then we stayed the night and then left.
You'll see video of how cold it was in a minute.
So bad. But anyway, so we take the car and drive up to Crater Lake, and incredible, so incredible.
Yeah.
Please go out and check this place out. I mean, you stand up on the side, you can see the whole lake, and then you read the sign where it's like, the lake's only like, 1,500 feet deep. Like, what?
Yeah.
It just looks like a big puddle.
Yeah.
It's insane.
Yeah.
So insane.
Yeah.
So, and it drops off like really quick. It's like, oh yeah, so 5 feet from the shore, it drops off to 800 feet, and you're like, what? That doesn't even make any sense. Yeah. So it's so crazy.
And it was, there's a lot of snow on the ground.
Yep.
And, but it was worth it.
Beautiful
it was very
hike.
pretty. Yeah.
Such a good hike.
Yeah.
And I mean, you can drive around most of it. It was closed for us while we were up there because of snow.
Yeah.
And like even the visitor center was closed. Yeah. It was crazy, but we wanted to go see it. I mean, we were driving by.
Yeah.
We're gonna stay one night, burn up some propane, whatever. Like,
yeah.
Let's just go do it. And
so
if you do stay at the casino, cell phone, Verizon was really good.
Yeah, we didn't have
and then if you're up at Crater Lake, pretty much only Verizon works.
Yeah.
None of the other ones work. So
Heads
if
up.
you're going to go up there and stay up there for a little while, which there are some campgrounds up there, definitely need Verizon. Yeah. But anyway, guys, go check it out. We'll be back in just a bit. Yep. Enjoy the sunset.
So they said the average elevation at the surface of the lake is like 6,066 feet. So even it's one of the deepest lakes.
That little guy in there is a volcano in the middle of the lake. Right?
He said, fuck this, yeah.
So Crater Lake is definitely amazing. Even when it's cold. you know you're too far north. Yeah, it's nice.
Oh, we switched a backdrop for you.
Yep.
Green screen. Just kidding. So that's the mountain. Look at how gorgeous that is.
Yeah.
I guess we should tell them where we're at. I mean, we're at Sam's family spa in Palm Desert.
Desert Hot Springs.
Desert Hot Springs.
Yeah.
So if you're out here, man, they're so beautiful.
Well, we'll talk about more in a future video.
Yep. Anyway, it was just a quick one. We wanted you guys to see Crater Lake because it's gorgeous.
Because after Crater Lake, we are going to be busting it south.
Yeah, because guess what? It's cold.
It's not winter is coming. It's winter is here.
Yeah, we've been burning through so much propane. It's like we just need to go. We need to get south.
Yeah.
So anyway, I hope you guys liked it. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you aren't already. Check out Laura Runs a Mean Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all the things for us. And she's pretty awesome.
No.
So anyway, we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Peace. Here, parting shots. They're gonna see my head at the bottom. There's our friend's RV. There's our RV.
There's a palm tree.
Got a shot again. There we go. Oh yeah, right back to the gang, and then pan in on the sexiest couple.